Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall learn how to read the print text or the end of day report in Axanta point of sales. In every business, the manager or the owner of the business wants to have all the information regarding the sales that have taken place in their store by the cashier. So, an end of day report or the print text report consists of all the details that have taken place in your particular store, right from number of transactions to all the petty expenses. That helps you to keep a track of your sales. So, let's see how we can achieve this. So, in order to view the print text report, we will first click on this manager's task, and here we will click on this print text button. Here you can select the date for which you want to view the print text report. So for this example, we will select this date, 26 Jan. Now let's say you have multiple terminals in your store and you want to view the print text report of that particular terminal. So for that you just need to undo this option. But if you want to see the print text report for all the terminals, then mark this option as true. Then you can either view or print the print text report. So for now we will click on this preview button. So here is the print text report or the end of day report with details like date, store, which terminal and so on. Here in the summary you can find total amount of sales with this count number. Then if any customer has given you any advance, so you can see here the amount and its count. Now throughout the day, if you have incurred any petty expenses like refreshment, cleaning and so on, then it will show here in the expenses. Then there is suspended sales. Now these suspended sales are those transactions which the cashier has put it on hold. So this is to ensure that when the cashier prints out this report, so before then all the suspended transactions are on hold and are closed. Then here in the tenders you can see how much sales was done by cash. So here you can see the amount and its count. Then if you are accepting multiple currencies, so it will get displayed here. As you can see, this cash USD and the amount, which means that this cash was accepted in USD dollars. Then here you can see how much sales was done through MasterCard, Visa, and if you are using any other cards, then you can add it from the back office. Then if there are any credit sales, so it will get displayed here in this credit. So this is how you will get a complete detailed report of your DIY sales in your store.